Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello, welcome back. So, since I dyed my hair all this tie-dye slash multiple bright colors, whatever, it's inspired me to do other things like tie-dye some clothes, which if you saw my previous video, that's what I did. But now I want to do even more. So today I'm gonna be transforming into a tie-dye slash rainbow girl. So my hair obviously is all multicolored, and I did my nails and my hands blue from tie-dyeing clothes. So yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue. So next on the list of making things tie-dye slash multicolored is my makeup and my face. And then I'm gonna put on my tie-dye clothes and wear all tie-dye for a day. For my makeup, I'm gonna be try to do like multiple colors eyeshadow, and this is the palette I got. It's from Target. Sorry if you can hear the wind, it's like really windy outside. And these are the colors. Perfect for what I'm going for. It's so bright and fun. So yes, we are gonna be doing my makeup tie-dye. Transforming into a tie-dye magical creature. So let's get started. Do I want to try and make my eyebrows multicolored? Let's try to do that first, see how it works. We're just doing everything in random order. What colors do I want to do? What colors do I want to do? I feel like I should do everything. Or tie-dye brows, tie-dye eyes, tie-dye blush. How would one make their eyebrows look tie-dye? To do my eyebrows, I need to get my brushes wet. So let's do that. I have a bowl of water. Beautiful. Okay, next color. Yeah. Yes. The green is the least you can see. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna do my face makeup and then my eye makeup because I don't really know what I'm doing with my eyes yet, and it might like interfere with my face makeup. This is my brows. I look beautiful. Okay, let's do the face makeup.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
So we're gonna start with green, yellow, orange. Okay, I'm gonna do this green first with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Oh, this has fallout. I need to lay down some protective measures. Oh no, I hit pan. I decided I'm gonna start off with putting white eyeliner all over. Okay, back to the colors. I want to be able to see it when my eyes are closed, and I have like quite hooded eyes, so I'm going up a little bit higher. I'm just packing it on because I want it to be like ultimate brightness.
When your nightmares turn to real life.
I'm gonna have to go this way because I took up too much space. I got pink and purple and blue left.
And the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know
Beautiful. Looks like a rainbow. I think yellow and green, because you can't really see those ones.
come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yes. Now let's do the other eye. Okay. Let's brush off this powder. Oh my. We got limited time. My eyes are watering. Quick, quick. I think I'm just gonna do subtle blush, because then that'll probably be like way too much. Let's do orange. Going for that orange blush. Kind of looks like bronzer.
You go to war, then I'm going with you.
Oh yeah, stop. This is a look. I'm gonna use this. Jelly Belly.
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do.
Glow, glow, glow. A little on the nosies. Cupid's bow. I think I want to like drag my glitter down under the eye like this, so hopefully this looks good. I only have this glitter, I don't know.
When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising.
Oh yeah. Iridescent tears. We're gonna put this glitter on just my nose section. Can't have too much glitter. Eyeballs, keep it together, keep it together, keep it together. Now we got lips and lashes left. Question is, do I want to do plain lips or bright lips?
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising.
Yes, this is a look. Fix my hair and put on my outfit. Okay, I'm gonna get my outfit on and show you. I decided to switch up the lip to nude for a more wearable look. This is my outfit. Now I'm gonna go get my family's reaction. Okay. Okay.
Some rainbow.
Yes. Your eyes are rainbow.
Yeah.
You got rainbow eyeballs and rainbow eyes.
Yep.
And rainbow hair.
You like it?
Rainbow clothes. She's like a unicorn.
Yeah.
She's a unicorn more.
I got unicorn horn for me.
You should see if there were in phone.
Go check.
Oh, perfect. I got my.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Rainbow unicorn tie-dye out.
The charge, I'm coming on finance where